Every bottle of nail polish begins with nitrocellulose, a specialized polymer that forms the hard, glossy, chip-resistant film on the nail surface. Nitrocellulose provides the primary film strength and adhesion, forming a clear, hard coating that bonds to the keratin surface of the natural nail.
Pigment quality determines the final color accuracy, opacity, and visual depth of the finished nail polish.
The facility maintains over 80 individual raw materials required to formulate the complete range of nail polish finishes.
Plasticizers provide flexibility to the dried film, preventing the brittle cracking that would occur with pure nitrocellulose alone. Holographic glitters contain precision-manufactured multi-layer optical interference structures that split white light into spectral rainbows. Nail polish solvents are highly flammable, requiring the entire formulation department to operate under explosion-proof ATEX-rated conditions.
Iron oxide pigments provide the deep, opaque, light-fast red tones that have defined classic nail color for over a century.
The formulation hall operates under strict explosion-proof safety standards because the volatile solvents that dissolve the resins. The base lacquer is created by dissolving solid nitrocellulose resin in a carefully balanced solvent blend that controls drying speed and film formation. The base lacquer formulation balances multiple resins and plasticizers to achieve the optimal combination of hardness, flexibility, gloss, and chip resistance. Pigment grinding is the most time-consuming formulation step, requiring hours of intensive milling to break down pigment agglomerates into individual primary particles. Color matching requires highly trained human colorists because the perception of color is influenced by lighting conditions, substrate, and film thickness. A typical color correction requires adding less than 1% of tinting pigment, demonstrating the extreme sensitivity of color perception. The tinting step transforms the clear base lacquer into the final colored product, as the concentrated pigment paste is uniformly dispersed throughout. The brush-out test evaluates the actual application experience, brush drag, leveling, opacity, and gloss as experienced by the consumer. A complete color palette, from classic reds to trending nudes to dramatic blacks, waits in sealed holding tanks. The quality laboratory ensures every batch delivers the exact color, consistency, drying speed, and wear durability printed on the label. Viscosity directly controls the consumer brush application experience. Too thin causes dripping, too thick causes streaking. Wear testing predicts real-world nail polish longevity, typically targeting 7 or more days of chip-free wear. Drying speed is one of the top consumer complaints in nail polish. Formulations are optimized for the fastest possible tack-free time.
Adhesion testing quantifies the polish's grip on the nail, predicting resistance to peeling and edge lifting during wear.
Stability testing ensures the polish maintains its quality throughout the commercial shelf life, even after years of consumer storage.
Human application testing provides the essential consumer perspective evaluation that laboratory instruments cannot fully replicate.
Color consistency ensures a consumer repurchasing their favorite shade always receives the identical color they expect.
Formal batch release integrates all quality data into a comprehensive judgment. Every batch permanently documented for traceability. The iconic nail polish bottle is a miniature work of glass engineering, requiring precision forming to achieve the exact dimensions that mate with the brush assembly. Every bottle must meet tight dimensional tolerances for proper cap and brush assembly fitment. The brush shape is carefully engineered. Too wide leaves streaks at the cuticle edge. Too narrow requires excessive strokes. The brush assembly must control the exact amount of polish picked up with each dip to prevent dripping while ensuring adequate coverage. Thousands of precision glass bottles and matched brush assemblies await their colored contents. Multiple bottle designs serve different brand positioning and retail price points.
The filling hall is a spectacle of color, dozens of different nail polish shades being simultaneously dispensed into thousands of
Cap application torque must be precise, tight enough for a leak-proof seal, but easy enough for consumers to open.
Metallic finishes require constant, gentle agitation in the supply tank to keep the heavy mica particles uniformly suspended.
Thousands of tiny, colorful bottles per minute advance toward retail packaging.
Retail packaging transforms individual bottles into the eye-catching display presentations that drive impulse purchases.
Gift sets drive seasonal sales spikes at holidays and back-to-school periods.
Nail art kits serve the growing DIY nail decoration trend. Professional salon packaging provides nail technicians with economical, high-volume formats. Global distribution packaging secured. Thousands of pallets containing millions of tiny bottles of color ready for worldwide retail.
Each truck carries enough nail polish for hundreds of thousands of manicures.
The warehouse holds the complete seasonal color range, ready for instant fulfillment of retail orders. International distribution extends the brand's color collections to beauty lovers across continents. Direct-to-consumer e-commerce requires individual bottle-level fulfillment with protective packaging to survive postal handling. Professional salons require specialized bulk packaging, optimized for high-volume daily salon use. Influencer PR kits drive social media awareness of new color launches. Solvent recovery and recycling significantly reduces both waste and raw material consumption. Rejected glass is collected and recycled through the glass cullet stream.
Environmental compliance monitoring ensures all volatile organic compound emissions remain within regulatory limits. Fire safety is the overriding design principle in a facility handling large volumes of flammable solvents.
The control center monitors every formulation reactor, grinding mill, and filling line.
Color perception shifts dramatically under different light sources, making standardized lighting essential for accurate color matching.
Complete operational overview.
Grinding media wear gradually reduces milling efficiency and must be periodically replaced.
The daily color meeting is the critical quality gate, where trained colorists approve or reject pending batches.
R&D color development works 12 to 18 months ahead of retail launch, predicting future fashion color trends. The master colorist's trained eye can detect color differences invisible to untrained observers. Innovation focuses on faster drying, longer wear, and gentler formulations.
When darkness falls, the ATEX-rated formulation halls continue their precise chemical work.
The overnight shift prepares tomorrow's colors in the sealed vessels.
A solitaire chemist oversees the volatile formulation operations through the night hours.
Millions of tiny bottles of color march through the darkness.
Inside these sealed vessels, volatile solvents dissolve solid resins into flowing liquid color.
Explosion-proof cleanliness maintained continuously. A rainbow river of miniature bottles flows through the night.
From raw pigment to sealed glossy bottle, the chemistry of color is breathtaking.
Precision at miniature scale.
One tiny bottle of liquid color, born from nitrocellulose resin and precision pigment grinding. This facility transforms raw chemical polymers into the daily self-expression ritual of millions. The factory's ultimate purpose, enabling self-expression through the instant transformation of color. The factory balances, clear solvents and dry pigments entering, sealed bottles of liquid color departing.
A moment of satisfaction when color meets self-expression.
And so the chemistry of color begins once more. From above, an empire of miniature color. The first bottles of the new shift, identical in quality to the millionth. Every mill grinding, every filler dispensing, the nail polish factory at full magnificent capacity.
The product enables not just color, but art, with skilled nail technicians creating miniature masterpieces.
Each collection tells a color story, from bold, dramatic statements to subtle, elegant whispers. The complete journey from raw resin to sealed, glossy bottle, visible in one frame.
The bottle design is instantly recognizable, a miniature icon of personal beauty.
This iridescent turquoise is perfect for the spring line.
The stability data supports it. We should finalize the spec.
Confirmed. Pushing the update to the production floor now.
The product creates intimate moments of connection and shared beauty.
The pinnacle of pigment dispersion technology. New workers arrive to sustain the daily creation of liquid color. The vessels never stop their slow chemical dissolution. Every shade matched, every specification met. Another perfect painted day.
As the sun sets, the night shift continues creating tomorrow's colors. One tiny bottle. Nitrocellulose, iron oxide, ethyl acetate. Chemistry and art in a miniature glass vessel. The humble bottle of nail polish. Polymer, pigment, and solvent. Behind it,